Menina, today I have a real powerful LED light.
Excellent.
Yeah, this one has a 1,320 LED light.
A lot of them.
Yeah, that's plenty, right? It's perfect for your own, you're going to start your own makeup channel. You're going to compete with this channel.
And you have to make sure everything that you show on the screen has to be exactly as it is.
Not only you, the guy who's watching this video on YouTube wants to start their own channel, YouTube, Twitch, or photograph, or anything. Not a good light, portable.
Yeah, for weddings too.
Oh, yeah, weddings, portraits, like us, like right now, our channel. So what we have today, Menina, then?
Today we have a newer dimmable LED video light.
Yes, that's perfect. And let's begin now, guys. How are you doing, everyone? This is Dario from MEDIABOXENT. And yes, and today I have one powerful LED light. This one is 1,320 LEDs, right, Menina?
Half in yellow, half in white.
Yes, and 50 watts. Now let me show you. This one is a filter. So pretty simple. Press these two buttons on the side, and then you can remove the filter if you. All right, so let me show you the LEDs.
It's super thin, by the way. It's only 2 centimeters thick.
Oh, I love that.
Excellent.
Plenty LEDs, beautiful. Right? Looks beautiful. Let me change the camera so they can even see better. Can we see there? Yes. Beautiful. Nice and done. Now, the filter, you can decide, what type of diffusion or light you want to use.
It slides very easily.
Yeah, and then you push these things up, as you see here, right, Menina? So, pay attention. So, when you have to do it yourself in your own channel.
Well, one time I put tape.
Oh, one time you did put a tape? Okay. And right on the side,
I like the blue color that they chose, and I like the knob that you can actually move it like, not the knob, but the ball that goes inside 360 degrees.
So the nice thing, Menina, you can remove this too. You lose this, and now easily you can remove this up. All right. So we have to put it all the way around, and we hold it here, and we tie that. And you can move this any way you want. Right, this way. And here, you put your tripod. Normally that's a light tripod. Now right over here, Menina, you put your battery. So when you go portable, on the go, you put this here. Now, battery power off and electrical power, 12 to 15 volts come with the power supply. And right over here we have a Kelvin, a 3200, and here in a 5600K. So K, this one is a white color, that's the white, the sun, and 32 will be the warm light. Now, one thing I like it too, comes with a beautiful bag, so you can
take it everywhere
on the go, or you can save it. In our case,
and you make sure it doesn't break on the way.
Right. Now, comes with the own power supply, 100 volts to 240. You can use anywhere around the world. USA, Japan, and Europe plug. So you can use, and also South America uses some plug. This is for the 220.
Oh, now, excellent.
Yes, and the full instructions, like always, how to use it.
Awesome.
You like that, Menina?
Yes.
Now, I want to show you.
And I like it because, you know what? It's going to match beautifully with all the other lights that we have.
Yes. We have all our lighting. There's plenty all around here. And we use all this company. I want to show you right now because I need this for my white color in the back. So I got one right over here, right? And I want to put another one somewhere over here. Correct. So and I show you right now. I want to show you a picture where I have right now one, so you guys can see. See, that's the one. All right, I have right now. The only that one is the 700 watt. I think this is a little bigger. This is better. So that one is right over here. So we're gonna be mounting another right in my back, so it will give me better colors. As we see it bleach a little bit, we have problems right over here, so I'm missing a light. I have another light right over here, same company, but the square ones, that's the light comes on the front, and I have another one on the floor that give me that effect. You see that's a little more white, so that one, but it's different. I mean, when we bought those, didn't make this kind yet.
Oh, that's why the one is different.
Yeah. This is much newer, and you see much that
newer.
Yes. Compared to the other square ones. So Menina, now if you're gonna start, let me plug it in anyway. I'm talking and I never plug it in. So if you're gonna start your own channel now.
You know what? All you had to do is click the link below in order to get this light to light up your channel, and I promise you, the light is gonna be the best one that you will ever have.
So yeah, we're gonna plug it in. We're gonna do I think tomorrow, right? So.
Oh, I said it was gonna be today.
No, I don't want to make any holes to that. I don't feel like plugs. It's late at night to make a noise. So this is the yellow color.
Yes, because I had to hook it up to the ceiling.
Yeah, I had to hook it up. That's the yellow color. And this is the white color. Normally that's what I use. All right, let me see if we can remove the filter. So guys can see that. Remove the filter. Oh, too much light, so let me put it down. So this is the white color. And that will be 56K. And that's what I'm using. That's what I'm using here. But you can always mix with the yellow color. Depends what kind of picture. Maybe for a portrait you want like the warm light, so you look like nice and tan. Depends. But in my case, for
you're tan
our purpose, yes, I'm tan anyway. But for our purposes,
until the winter comes.
Until the winter, yeah, another 2 months all gone, and then we have to go to the Caribbean or something. Now we go every day to the pool, so that's why now we are real. We've got like white like that 56K. All right. So that's it with this. So guys, if you thinking to start your own channel, I definitely do recommend this light.
Yeah, I highly do so, because otherwise, if you were to get the cheaper ones in the long run, you will end up getting to this.
No, plus it's small. You have to keep it. This is really nice.
And if you have in a small place, you can see how like small it is. It's only 2 centimeters thick.
Right.
So.
Yes. And I said she approved it. That's why she comes here and check it.
And one tip that I have for this is just hook as many lights as you can from the ceiling, because I promise you, the tripods, they look very cool and very awesome, but they're always on the way. So like,
that's
hook as many lights.
I have one on the floor right over here that needs to remove
from the ceiling.
So hoping this light will take care of the problem I had right over here next to me. So you see, I have a light here, and it kind of the space is short over here. Huh?
We will see that in the next video.
Yeah, we install this tomorrow, and we should fix some of the problems here. All right, Menina, we say goodbye with this. So, guys, leave me a comment. Yes, leave me a comment in the channel. Let me know what type of lights you're using. Or if you have one of these lights, you want to give a recommendation to other users, yes, please do that. And I'll see you next time with more cool things for YouTube channel or whatever it will be, right? Twitch, anything. Bye.
Bye.